Hi guys, so my last video went viral on how to cook using this trending AI and using Spider-Man to cook and all that. Now I'll be teaching you how to make this video, but mind you, if you are cooking or whatever you are doing and you want to use this type of edit to do it, depends solely on you and your ideas. So you have to be really good with your ideas. What you want is just the way you want it. So I'll be showing you a few steps on how to go about it and how to edit it using CapCut. So just watch this video to the end and you will see everything. But mind you, you need to be the architect of it all to get a perfect prompt and to get a perfect video. So let's get right into the video without wasting much of your time. The first thing you will need to do is to take image of your items, whatever you are using. If you are reacting, you have to like make a video of your reactions, take a picture of what you want to use. After that, then we go right into the video. Now you open your Grok app and tap on create video. Click on this icon and click on edit image. Now you can paste your prompt. Now I'll be writing this prompt with you guys so you can see everything I'm writing. Maintain the exact image and background. Make the image have two tiny legs. Now sometimes you can prompt this and not get it right. That doesn't mean that if you reprompt it, you will not get it right. So when you prompt it, sometimes you can just get it right immediately. You can see we got this right, and the next thing to do is to do the other images that you have saved. Now I'll be showing you different images that I'll be recreating. Now look at this buns that I made. So I'm also going to be doing another one. I will just say maintaining this image. You must be particular about this maintaining this image and background, because if you don't maintain the image and background, Grok may just generate another thing for you. So you have to tell it to maintain the image and the background of your image before adding whatever you're going to add. Now you are not limited to adding any character. You can add any character, anime characters, footballers, goats, Spider-Man, any character you want to add, right? So that is why I said maintaining the image and background, generate two little Spider-Men. I won't be cutting this video. I won't be reducing it so you all can see the prompt from the beginning to the end. So maintaining the image and background, generate two little Spider-Men carrying the plate. Now it's going to generate image before you can turn it to video. I'm trying to generate all the images for you so you can see all the prompts I'm using to generate the image before we can get to video. Now that is why I said, now you can see the image is generated for us. I am emphasis on you need to be creative. You need to know the characters you want to use before starting this. You need to have your before pictures. Now you can have different pictures of yourself. You can have yourself like standing in the kitchen, carrying your pot so that you can be able to edit properly. Now snap all angles of your picture of your food and everything you want to do. Now, if you are cooking, make sure you are detailed about your snapping and know the one you want to put. If you want your ugu leaf to have wings, you can use this same prompt. The only thing you're going to change is the leaves should have wings. The pot should have wings, just like I said in my TikTok video. But this is a YouTube video, so we're going to like give it a whole I'm going to be very detailed with this YouTube video so you all can see. Now you can pause and see my prompt. Now this is the one I use for the fairy godmothers. Now this is me showing you that any character can be used on this prompting. You can use any character. Now we have achieved almost every prompt here. We have achieved every prompt here, and you can all see that this character, you can always change. Like after generating this one, I do not like it, so I decided to change the image. And you can also save this one. If you watch from the beginning of my video, this video was playing, right? Now, I also changed it. I say the fairy godmothers carrying the plate. And it's also going to generate the fairy godmothers carrying the plate. So that is how you're going to do. You're going to tweak your prompt, say whatever, but make sure you add maintaining the image, the exact image and background. So all the characters can only be added to your image and background. Sometimes it may change a little, but that doesn't mean anything. It can only change a little, but it will not change your background. Now you can see them carrying the plates, and they did not change the background. And this same one, I also said with Disney princess. By now, you all understand this game of prompting. So the next thing to do is to head over to video creation. So now let's go straight to video creation. Let me show you how to make this and turn them into videos. Now, the next step is to turn them to videos. Now, copy your prompt and tap on this place that this arrow is showing. Now, paste that same prompt and change the generate to animate. Now, it is not necessary to change it to animate. You can decide to change it to animate or leave it at generate. Now, it's going to start generating the images and turning them to video for you. Once you are done tweaking your prompt, just tap on that arrow, that white arrow, and it will start generating your video. And once it's done, it's going to generate a video for you. And this is what we get from our video, because we asked them to be eating the snack. Now, sometimes it may not be all that perfect now, but you can still redo it. Like I said, I'm not cutting this video. I'm just going to give us what it gives so that we can all correct and get our perfections right. Now, this is the next. We're also going to be using the same way we did the first one to do this second one. That is, copy the prompt and tweak it to what you want to happen. Now, once your video is generated, you can tap on this arrow to save your videos, and now you do the next videos, and that's how you're going to continually do your videos. Same thing applies to that of the Spider-Man prompt. You just put the prompt you used before, tweak it a little, and give it what you want the Spider-Man to do. Now, there is this particular one that gives problem. That is this image. Once your image is inside a park or something, turning it to video can be hectic. So now, in order to keep that video or to keep your image the same way, instead of saying generate maintaining this data, just say animate the object doing this. It's not going to change a thing from your object. So once you say animate the object doing this, it's not going to change your item. It's not going to change the legs or the hands you added to the video. So that is how you're going to do this part of the video. After generating all these videos, we are heading over to CapCut to edit them. So once you're on CapCut, tap on new video and import your reaction video. Now, you might have created your reaction video in batches of what you want to do. I mean, your reaction video, how you want to react, catching the pot, doing this. This is just an example of a reaction video, right? Now, this is what I did here. After adding your reaction video, look down, you're going to see overlay. Tap on overlay and add overlay. Now, what are you overlaying? You're overlaying the image according to your reaction. Now, this is what I overlaid. I overlaid this image of this kuli running on the table. Click on the image and click on add, and it's going to automatically add. Now, it has added here. All you need to do is to shrink it to fit the reaction of what you are doing. Now, if you can see, I am reacting like I am shocked of what it's doing or the performance it's giving. So I'm adjusting it accordingly. So I'm going to scroll down and go to remove background. I'm tapping on auto removal. Now, once you tap on auto removal, it's going to automatically remove the background. Now, you adjust it to fit where you are doing. Now, this is just another style of doing this. There's also another style of doing it, which is splitting your original video, that is splitting your reaction video and adding the extras. Now, let's do the splitting part. Now, I just tap on it and I split. Now, if you check where I splitted, there is this mark. I tapped on the plus sign, and I'm going to be adding the next image or the next video. Now, you can see this Spider-Man image video is what I'm adding. So when I added it, it automatically came in between my reaction and the video that I just added. So you can see after my reaction, the video is just going to start playing. So you're going to just adjust your reaction based on what you are creating. Now, if you're creating food content, you should know what to react. If you are doing any other thing, it's not necessary about food content. Any other thing, you can also react to it. So you can see after I split and I added, it gave me this, then the next image was this. Now, I decided to add another one just to give you more examples that you can also add at the end to like fit it. So still tap on the plus sign and add your extra video, the video you intend to use in that particular place. Now, I added this video of them pouring the food in the pot. Now, like I said, all you need to do is to tap on the plus sign and it's added. Now, you adjust the video accordingly to where it starts and to where it will finish. Now, this pouring of food now depends solely on you and how you want to do it. Once you have done it like that and you adjust your video, you watch your video to see if you did very well, then you save your video, and that is the end. It's as simple as that. Now, let's watch the video we just created.
1, 2, lift. And pour. Perfect.
Now, if this video was helpful, make sure to leave a comment in the comment section and subscribe on this page. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.